Smart ovens combine advanced technology with convenience, transforming how meals are prepared. These high-tech appliances offer precision cooking with Wi-Fi connectivity, app control, and voice assistant compatibility, making them perfect for modern kitchens. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best smart ovens you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The third generation, Joule Smart Oven is a groundbreaking kitchen marvel designed to make cooking effortless and precise. With a 30-quart capacity, it accommodates a 12 by 16-inch pan, a 10-pound turkey, or a 12-inch pizza, offering versatility for both everyday meals and special occasions. Its 1800-watt carbon fiber heating elements cook 35% faster than traditional methods, ensuring efficient meal prep. Built with durable stainless steel and high-temp, glass-filled plastic, this 39-pound oven is as sturdy as it is stylish. The Precision Food Thermometer guarantees perfect results, while the Joule app and Alexa compatibility let you control cooking from anywhere and receive notifications when your dish is ready. The built-in HD camera identifies over 100 foods in under 200 milliseconds and pairs with 200-plus chef-designed programs for effortless, preheat-free cooking. Whether air frying, toasting, dehydrating, grilling, or baking, the Joule Smart Oven replaces 12 kitchen appliances, simplifying your culinary setup. The Brava Smart Oven redefines modern cooking with its sleek design, powerful features, and advanced technology. With a 10-liter capacity and 1,800 watts of power, this countertop marvel is crafted from durable stainless steel and weighs 55 pounds. Its LED touchscreen interface and free mobile app make it effortless to control and customize over 7,000 preloaded recipes, from pizzas to chicken wings and veggies. Offering 10-in-1 versatility, the Brava combines air frying, roasting, baking, searing, toasting, reheating, slow cooking, dehydrating, rice cooking, and warming in one compact unit. Its patented light-based energy source ensures 2 to 4 times faster cooking than traditional convection ovens, delivering crisp, juicy results without compromise. Multi-zone cooking technology allows you to prepare up to 3 ingredients, like protein and 2 vegetables, on the same tray simultaneously, with precise results every time. Its unique design supports even cooking across 2 levels, eliminating the need for rotation. Whether cooking for 1, 2, or 4, the Brava's intuitive programming ensures perfect meals with minimal effort. With rapid preheat times and a focus on precision, the Brava Smart Oven is an indispensable tool for busy households, elevating your culinary creations with speed and style. The Nuwave Bravo Smart Oven is a versatile 28 appliance crafted from stainless steel, weighing just 17.8 pounds. With a powerful 1,800-watt output, this countertop oven is designed to deliver precision cooking every time. Its standout feature is the ability to make adjustments on the fly, allowing you to fine-tune temperature or cooking time mid-process for unparalleled flexibility. The oven's intuitive digital controls let you set temperatures between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 500 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Unlike traditional ovens that toggle heating elements on and off, the Bravo uses linear thermal technology to maintain a consistent temperature throughout the cooking process. This ensures even cooking and eliminates hot or cold spots in your meals. The dual heat zones enable independent control of the top and bottom heaters, perfect for achieving crispy pizza crusts or evenly cooked baked goods. The Tovala Smart Oven redefines convenience in the kitchen, blending advanced technology with versatility. This compact countertop oven excels at simplifying meals by scanning grocery packaging or meal kit QR codes to automatically set cooking instructions. With compatibility spanning over 1,000 grocery store brands and a rotating menu of Tovala's meal kits, it takes the guesswork out of meal prep. The Tovala app enhances its usability, enabling you to send cooking instructions remotely and explore a library of recipes. From simple sides and proteins to gourmet dishes like creamy braised chicken thighs or pepper jelly glazed halibut, the options are diverse and satisfying. What sets this oven apart is its inclusion of steam functionality. This unique feature locks in moisture for optimal results, automatically activating during toast or reheat modes. Additionally, traditional modes like convection bake and broil make it versatile for standard recipes. The Breville Joule Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro elevates countertop cooking with its connected design and cutting-edge functionality. With a robust 6-quart capacity and 1,800 watts of power, this stainless steel marvel is both versatile and efficient. Weighing 38.89 pounds, it combines solid craftsmanship with smart technology for a truly innovative cooking experience. The Joule oven features 13 preset cooking functions, delivering crisp, juicy, and flavorful results every time. Powered by the Element IQ system, it intelligently adjusts the 6 quarts heating elements to maintain even and precise temperatures. This ensures your dishes are cooked to perfection, whether you're roasting, air frying, baking, or broiling. Explore culinary creativity with Breville Plus, offering over 1,000 guided recipes, live classes, and exclusive cooking tips. Joule Autopilot simplifies meal prep with multi-event automation that seamlessly transitions between cooking modes. With voice activation through Google Assistant or Alexa, you can adjust settings hands-free for maximum convenience. Its sleek stainless steel exterior complements any kitchen, while its smart features ensure outstanding results, making it a must-have for culinary enthusiasts seeking innovation and reliability. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.